Hello everyone, my name is Jade Adams R. Castro from BSIT-1B, and this day I would like to discuss to you the understanding truth table and logic. So what is truth table? A truth table is mathematical table is used in logic. It is show all possible truth values of logical statements. So a truth table is a tool used in logic to display all possible truth value of a statement based on its inputs. There are basic logical values. Basic logical values. In logic, we use two variables. Logic is based on two values, true represented as 1 and false represented as 0. An operation, and here is the table example. Let's take an AND operation. It's only return true if the both inputs are true, otherwise it's turn false. Now for the OR operation, the result is true if at least one input is true. And the NOT operation simple reverse the truth value. If it's true, it's become false and vice versa. What are truth tables important? First, help us understand logical expression. Second is used in computer science, mathematics, and circuits. Lastly is the foundation of digital logic design. Truth tables are essential in logic, computer science, and circuit design. Help us understand how logical expression work. The conclusion of this is truth tables display logical operations used to evaluate expressions and essential for computing and reasoning. To summarize it, truth tables help us visualize logical operation and are widely used. Welcome in this video. My name is Jade Adams Castro from BSIT-1B. We will learn how to convert a decimal number into binary step by step. What is decimal and binary number system? The decimal system which we use daily is based on 0 digit from 0 to 9. The binary system used in computer consists of only 2 digits, that is 0 and 1. Why convert decimal to binary? The computer process data in binary zeros and ones. Help us in understanding computer architecture and essential for programming and networking. We convert decimal numbers to binary because computers store and process all data in binary format. Understanding this help in computer programming and networking. Step-by-step conversion method. First is divide the number by 2. Second is write down the remainder 0 or 1. Third is repeat until the quotient is 0. And read the remainder in inverse order to get the binary equivalent. To convert a decimal number to binary, we repeatedly divide it by 2, write down the remainders and read them in inverse order. Here the example. Convert 13 to binary. Let's convert 13 to binary. We divide by 2, write the remainders and read them in right versa. The binary equivalent of 13 is 1101. So that means 13 divided by 2 is 16. If the 13 is 6.1, so you have to write the 6 only, not the 0.1. Then the remainder is 1. If the answer is there are point, the remainder will be 1. And if the quotient is only one number, example like 3, 1 is the remainder is 0. Another example, convert 25 to binary. Now, converting 25 to binary follows the same process. The result is 1101 in binary. And the conclusion is decimal used to base 10 while binary use base 2. Convert by dividing by 2 and read reminders in reverse. And lastly, binary is circular of computing in digital technology. Hello guys, once again, my name is Jade Adams Castro from BSI T1B, and this time I would like to discuss to you the understanding bitwise operation in computing. What are bitwise operation? Bitwise operation work at the binary level. They manipulate individual bits, zeros and ones, common in low-level programming and hardware designs. Bitwise operations are operations that directly manipulate individual bits in binary numbers. They are commonly used in low-level programming and digital circuit design. Bitwise AND operation. The AND operation compares two bits, it returns 1 if both bits are 1, otherwise it returns 0. The OR operation returns 1 if at least one of the bits is 1, it only returns 0 when the both bits are 0. And lastly, the bits OR operation. The OR operation, XOR operation or the OR operation return 1 only if the bits are different. If they are the same, it returns 0. The conclusion of this is, to summarize it, bitwise operation manipulate individual bits and are essential for efficient programming and digital systems.